Hi, I'm Julia Ding.
I'm Mikul Sarnan.
I'm Samir Lakhani.
And we are BYRDS.
Advanced Drones for Disaster Relief.
So BYRDS aims to address a critical problem. First, there is currently a lack of technological solutions in companies, which addresses the need for quicker rescue and accurate damage assessment in disaster-stricken areas. In 2022, the Emergency Event Database reported the loss of over 30,000 lives and over $223.8 billion USD due to natural disasters. And currently, disaster victim identification is a manual, labor-intensive process that can reduce the odds of saving humans from disasters. And with an automated fleet of drones that can rapidly search through the disaster area, we want to improve human outcomes. And to do this, we are going to try to employ a variety of innovative technologies. Integration of AI enables fast and accurate detection. This improves the efficiency of rescue operations in hazardous environments. The integration of a fleet of drones with explainable AI allows us to rapidly create a clear understanding of a disaster scene.
For our target market and global reach, our broad audience is that technology targets disaster relief organizations, governments, and humanitarian aid groups globally. Global disaster relief spending totals about $500 billion. The global market for disaster recovery technology is about $50 billion, and modest market share is $500 million, which is 1% of SAM. There's limited competition because they're limited to no competitors in the field, allowing us to bring something new to the table. And now for our demo.
For MVP, we decided to just focus on the software aspect. So now we can either take a snapshot, which we'll do, or we can even upload an image. But taking a snapshot will mimic a drone. We can also see if we get the coordinates, and now we can save this file. The GPT-4V model analyzes the image and generates a text description of the image that then the first responders can use to analyze and figure out what the next best steps are. So this uses the OpenAI clip embeddings. Let's say we can search for forest fire. So now the data is ready. As you can see, it gave me the coordinates of the relevant data. It gives us index and a description of forest fire. And this output also can be seen in output.csv as well as other similar images that matches the description. So this is combining the GPT-4V model here as well as the OpenAI clips to get the searching the images to now find images and locations that first responders can now use.
First, we will begin development with regular drones and eventually shift towards business-made specialized drones for disaster relief. Second, we aim to establish strategic partnerships and leverage cutting-edge technology to bring our innovative solutions to the global market.
Now to go over our specific impact and vision, first we want to make sure that we have a global humanitarian impact, and so to do this we want to significantly reduce response time, enhance the effectiveness of disaster relief efforts worldwide, as well as save lives and minimize the impact of natural disasters as much as possible.
Thank you.